Imagine standing at the entrance of a cave and suddenly it breathes. The air rushes out, then pulls back in, just like a living creature. This strange phenomenon happens in Mexico's Cave That Breathes. But it's not alive, it's science. When temperatures outside change, the air pressure inside the cave shifts, forcing air to move in and out, making it seem like the cave is actually inhaling and exhaling. Nature is full of mysteries like this. So if you love discovering the strange and hidden wonders of our planet, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.